if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
On a gray skies, but it's still a lovely morning. We up breathing, we out here, we able to cop shoes. People out here that wanted to get the Island Green 13s, hopefully you was able to get them. I'm gonna wait maybe till next year, reach back on those joints. Thank everybody for stopping through on the 4K celebration. Shout out to Chris and Choi for being the winner. Bobby Sneakerswear won a Funko Pop. Max won a Funko Pop. Also, we on the way. Who Has the Heat? The last battle for round 1. We had 901 Fire Kicks. Go check the brother out. And also JD89 OSU on today at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Shout out to the family. PM Kicks 313 Retro Queen. McFly KOF. Also the bros help support the show. Snooch Customs and Money Run Clothing. And shout out to everybody who's been rocking with us through this whole time, through the internet battles, the struggle, the technical difficulties, the forfeits, all of that stuff. Stay tuned, merch to be dropping soon. I'm gonna try to do it within the next week or two. Fingers crossed. Now with that being said, let's jump into this review. I know this shoe has been reviewed ad nausea, but let me just put my little 2 cents in here, shall we? All right, you see the box? The box is like an olive green. Then you got your infrared Jumpman on there, or orange or whatever you want to call it. You got Cactus Jack, Nike Air. This is not a personal pair. This is my homie personal pair. He let me do a review on these. Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, size 12. You got your QR code, suggested retail price, $250 of them thing. Now just thinking about $250 for these, but then you pay resale for $2 grand, $1,500. I don't know. I don't understand it myself. Can somebody please explain it to me? You paying that much money for a shoe? Where's the return investment? I'm just saying, maybe I may be a hater, but I mean, when you pay that much for a car, you still get your money back, right? At some point, you still recover something, but on a shoe, if you don't take care of it, the sucker, you pull it out the box, it falls apart. So, I don't know. You tell me. Then, nice inside, all nice orange, no stamp around. Got your QC code. These came straight from Nike, black paper. You got your code right in there. You got 2 layers of paper. And then you have the shoe. Gotta take both of them out so y'all can check them, make sure I take them out all nicely. All nice. All nice. You know how I do, put that back in. Go to a little mini break while I get it situated. And bang. Check it out, check it out. What you think? I saw this shoe before in hand, but now I get just to dissect the shoe in and out, all around. Thank you, ma'am. Now, as you can see, the shoe, Cactus Jack, olive green, whatever you want to call it, underneath the bottom, it glows in the dark. You see a little mini glow in the dark. I tried to do it in the dark, but it wouldn't show up on the camera. You got pretty much just like this. It's gonna get dirty, so you got to make sure you clean it with your red or infrared, orange, whatever it is here. Now you kind of got around here, you got a little bit of what they call it, what is it, back booty stroke. You got it there. Now some of the other part, the pairs at the UA, some of them in here, we call puka. The holes, you can't see the white inside. So at least you can see the white, so you know all good. It kind of got that faded black, infrared orange, Cactus Jack here on a pull tab. I mean the lace lock, sorry. Then you got Air Jordan here, like on all Jordan 6s. And as you know, all Jordan 6s, they got to make the 23. They don't make the 23, you already know you got the wrong pattern. You got a little bit of glue stain. You can see you got black glue right there, right? So you got your 3 as usual, and you got your 2. If it don't make that, you already know. Tinker Hatfield shoe. Also, right, 3, 4, 5, 6 air units. And after that, the air unit ceased to exist. As you can see, you got your red snapping through that. And here we go with the first responders. Now underneath here, you got your hits of 3M. And you should see that. I took a photo of that so you can see that underneath. I know that will make sis pride. Got that 3M underneath. You got your stash spot right here on the side. So put whatever you want to put in there. And we'll just leave it at that. Call that the stash spot. On the back, you got the spoiler, right? We already know Jordan was in the sport car, so got your spoiler on the back. Some people can use it to hang it on the door or whatever you want to do with it, but it's up to you. You got your sock liner here. And of course, you got that Nike Air on that ass in the back of the shoe. And also some more hits of 3M here on the media side. Nice and white. Again, 3 and then your 2, right? And up here you got that shaggy It Wasn't Me look up here. Kind of look kind of nice. Nothing spectacular about the laces. But then you got Nike Air inside. Reviewing the second shoe. You got your 2 bags of laces, 1 black, 1 yellow. This I don't get neither. Please explain to me why you don't have this orange or infrared, because yellow of all the colors, not a darn thing yellow on this shoe. It just blows my mind. Why not go with the olive? You got the green, you got yellow, maybe even white or that orange, but yellow? Come on, Jordan Brand, y'all out there with that. I just don't see it, but that's just me. You got a little overspray right there, but nothing too much different on the second shoe. And then you got your stash spot on this side. Pretty much think the same thing inside there. Yeah, you got Cactus Jack in there. You see where the fight could pull out the shoe tree. No, we don't. And as you can see, shoe tree 12, 12 and a half. Now, on the Litty Lit meter, real quick, I'm gonna put up there at the top. Got the other ones coming out next year, the yellow joints. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But on the Litty Lit meter for these joints, they pretty dope. They ain't overwhelmingly dope as in person. They be paying $1,000. So I give it about a 4.65 out of 5. 4.65 out of 5. You guys let me know by leaving a comment suggestion below on these. For me, for some reason, I gotta go a half size down. So instead of 10, what I normally get, I would get a 9.5. So you let me know what you think about these. Tell a family member, friend, we on our move to 5K. You feel me? Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Boy.
Bitch, I'm rockin' chain like a field nigga. How the fuck you real nigga? Squeal nigga. Roll that pressure up and pop a seal nigga. Come that baby girl, I'm tryna build with. Heard you getting money, how I feel nigga.